It's your birthday. It's your birthday, boy. It's your birthday.
Happy birthday to you. You put your hand in a doo-doo.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
How you feel for say? Come here, say when me feel for say. How you feel for say?
Good morning, guys. It's early in the morning. It's literally what time? It's 6:45. 15 minutes to 7. Just wake up. Of course, my voice is all groggy and stuff. But guess what? Today is Tristan's birthday. My baby is all of 11. So give it up for him.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday, boy. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, boy. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, boy. You know it's your birthday. Show that joy like it's
barefoot on the track.
time to fly. Throw your hands up to the sky, yeah. Going up, cause we're celebrating life, yeah. Another trip around the sun. Gotta have some fun with the tribe or a party of one. Cause it's so.
Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on the comment section, and share. And don't mind my crazy look, I don't always like this all the time. It's early in the morning, okay? I would just come downstairs to grab the camera. So today is nothing special. We're not doing any.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Today is special. Don't get me wrong, it's a special day. However, we're not doing anything spectacular today, because that is going to be done on Saturday. He says that he wants to go to the trampoline park, so all of the family is going to take him to the trampoline park and just have a blast of fun. So we're not doing anything extra like having a party or anything. He's going to ask for that this year. I hear him coming. So what we're going to be doing is to show him the gifts. Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
You know what day today is?
Tristan's birthday.
Tristan's birthday. So we're gonna see if we can show him his gift. Today's just gonna dress like birthday for school, and then on Saturday we do the celebration. So that's what's happening. Ready to go show Tristan his gifts?
Sure.
Alright, let's go. Get your zippers on.
Tristan.
Alright guys, his gifts are huge. So they were hidden in the garage. Get your slippers on, come. In the garage is a hot mess. Let me see which part they actually there. Guys, I'm getting a pimple. Okay. I can't find it. Oh, my father hide it under here, so. Guys, I'm going to go to the garage. We can't find space to walk. They're under here. Gotta figure out a way how to get it out. Let me figure that out. I'll come right back.
So guys, we couldn't see the present because mommy couldn't take it out. So we're going to go wake up my brother and say happy birthday. Good morning, Grandma.
Morning, Grandma.
Good morning, Grandmama. Oh, she's already awake.
He is already awake. Good morning, birthday boy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you
Sit down,
4?
turn on, acknowledge
Are
her.
you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? Are you 10? Are you 11? Are you 12? I'm 11.
Alright, so just a
He's
poll.
12.
So this morning I already told you happy birthday. Well, happy birthday again, come in, baby. So the thing is,
We already did it without you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You put your hand in a doo-doo. You put your hand in a doo-doo. Happy birthday, Tristan. Happy birthday to you. Grandma, love you.
so whenever I get all them loving them upset, I just get it this morning. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
And I did again.
She didn't get any. She didn't get any. Come on.
Come. Because she never want to hug me or kiss me.
Alright, so I know you said that you didn't want anything special today more than just your gifts, but your gifts are buried.
Have to find them.
No, you can't find. They're there, but we can't pull them out. So you have to wait till the father comes to show you them. But what I can do, I can show you them on Amazon. Is that okay? Alright.
Yeah, let's go get
My phone. Let's go get the phone.
your phone.
Mama, you know
What?
the teeth, right, Mama?
Uh-huh.
Turns out they were off-brand Nike, Mama. Like the Nike sign went around the top.
Did I send back?
Yeah, Daddy sent it back, and it wasn't even my size. It was size 6.
So what size you wear?
Size 5.5.
A 6 you wear and you're gone for that's it. Oh, this is from your brother.
Help me.
Yeah?
Oh, this is ski mask. Can I put it on?
Sure. Your baby at 11. So he asked his brother for a ski mask, guys. So that's what this is. Guys, I'm gonna turn criminal for some reason.
You're weird, Mama.
I'm weird.
He's gonna walk.
Hurry up.
Mama, should I put it on the hat way or
The hat way, because that's the only way to wear it.
He's about to walk someone. What happened to him?
No, he's working. To
I
the
just got a
popo.
popo.
I cannot.
Put it on your face.
Mm-mm.
Can I try it on my face, Mama, please?
Go on, let me see.
Alright.
I'm getting old. My son is 11 today. My oldest is next week is gonna be 21. So me and them have bag and stuff. I'm old. I'm an old lady. When you guys talk to me, you must say Miss Keneisha. Okay? Just letting you know. Yes, baby? You don't see it? See criminal that come down here. No, I rebuke. That's in the name of Jesus. Let me take that back.
Don't
Stop.
curse that name in the name of Jesus. Let me see it.
I don't know if I put it on right.
Let me. You can't find my phone. Oh, here it is. Sorry.
Let's go fix it.
I mean, no, I know. I don't mean to lie, Mama, but I knew this was here since a long time ago.
It just come mostly Monday.
Can I
Yeah, but I knew it was here.
Can I see it on your face?
Alright, so I'm going to
Yeah, I
show
think so.
him the gifts that I got him because they're literally buried. And I can't get into them right now because I brought down everything that in the
You look cool.
the garage.
I look cool.
Yeah.
Put it back on my head
Alright. Are you ready, mommy? For gift number...
One. Let me see
Hold on.
first.
No, you can't see. Give it for him. So,
I didn't-
gift number 1. Ready?
Yeah.
Here it is, guys.
Whoa. I've been wanting that for so long.
You're so fake,
Is that
guys.
better?
You already saw it. You like it? Come here. There's another one.
Yeah, I know.
There's another one. Go back this up. There are 2 gifts.
I can see because I'm it's not my
You ever see me? I
birthday.
get you 1 gift. Here's the other one.
Oh, I know.
Here's the other one, guys.
Yes, 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 yes.
That sound
yes.
fake, just
no, that's not fake. Yes, yes. Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Welcome.
Got 2 now.
Thank you,
Mama.
Mama.
You're welcome.
Mama, she got 2 now.
So this is it, guys.
Go, go.
This is huge. Sit here. Show me.
Let's see it.
Just have been bought since I want to say like February. They've been hidden and try to cover them so well that that's what we can't take them out right now. So we're gonna have to wait until he gets home. In any case, they're too huge to come into the house right now.
What?
Yeah, the package is so big. Now I already just do the spring cleaning. We're not gonna mess up the place. So until they're set up, and then we also have the trampoline that we need to set up as soon. Guys, tell me why winter is fighting spring because
It was snowing yesterday.
it was flurrying yesterday, and it went to 20 degrees. It is also in 20 degrees today. It's spring. We're getting winter weather. That's crazy to me. But anywho, we're gonna make breakfast and get ready to go to school so we can go to school on time. You guys gonna stay with us because I'm gonna do a couple errands on the road, me and mommy today when the kids go to school. So you're gonna stay with us because girl trying to be consistent. So if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't watch the crufty look right now. We're gonna clean up very nice afterwards. I'm gonna try my little beard and stuff and look nice, okay? Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Like this video, comment under the comment section, and tell us what?
Share.
That's right, right? That's so. Be back soon, guys.
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Come on now, let's go. Alright guys, we are running late because of the little girl here.
Hey!
Yes, you. Birthday boy. How you feeling? Even though you're late? Good?
I'm feeling horrible.
Feeling horrible?
Yes.
Come.
Bye, mommy.
Bye, me for the I'm standing in the end. Alright, let's go, babies. Have a great night. Come on, I'm gonna finish it up on our time for your head.
They took me out, son.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you did take me out.
Alright guys, so on my prince's birthday, he was late. And what are you in? He's in school. License is not licensed, but we are gonna take on the road. We're gonna carry mommy go on our friend. Then we're going to go to the bank, Dollar Tree. Oh, the light. The bank, Dollar Tree, and Stop and Shop because I didn't get the chance to get Tristan a cake yet, so we're gonna grab that today. Order it, and he's gonna get it for Saturday. So let's see if that can work. All right, can't touch this. Say hi, mommy.
Hi. Morning.
All right, guys. I'll see you. Hello, you guys have the birthday books?
No, our printer's down.
Is that one here?
Oh, Jesus. I like this, but it's fine.
Alright guys, so we're in Dollar Tree. Unfortunately, we don't lighting in here. Unfortunately, we did not get what we wanted in Stop and Shop. They do not have the machine brought down to basically do the cake. So we can't do the character cake. So instead of buying a regular cake right now, I can actually buy that on Saturday. So that's what we're gonna do. So right now we're in Dollar Tree, and I'm trying to get Easter egg because the kids said they want Easter egg hunt. So these will be, I already have eggs from previous time, but these are going to be like the money ones. So six of them. Alright, I'm going.
Look at this
Mug the number one there, so fun stuff is you know.
look on candy something there. Round one they look like a melon. It round so, and it have sugar over it.
You mean the peach rings I'm gonna
Yes, yes.
I'm gonna be over the other side. Come on, look a minute calculator. No, I want one to purchase.
Oh.
You come in here, you don't even know what to go in. Every minute I'm change up in here, and everything that all over the place, like you just. See, night light, I'm gonna say they want night lights. You have a variety of them. Alright guys, so we are back from off the road. We went to This house when we were at Dollar Tree. We left Dollar Tree, we went to Jan, then we went to we went to what the place name? Golden Crust, and we got some patties. So we're here, and I'm about to show you what I got, like a little Dollar Tree haul. Not much, but let me just show you since we were on the road together. Like, it's not fair if I like cut off the video and not show you everything, right? Right, okay, let's go. Alright, so I was saying to you guys earlier, before I show you everything, that one of the main reasons for me to go on the road today was supposed to get Tristan's cake ordered. He needs some anime or whatever cake, but unfortunately, I normally order it from a Stop and Shop, but unfortunately, Stop and Shop is not doing any character type cake because their machine is broken and them don't know when it'll fix. So instead of ordering a cake, no, I'm just gonna get a regular one. I'm gonna explain it to him this evening. He should be fine though. And then I get a regular cake on Saturday, because again, remember, Saturday is a big shebang, right? So that's what's going to happen. But he should be fine. He should be fine. So this is what we have right now, just two bags of Dollar Tree stuff. And as I said before, I don't have a lot, but we're gonna go through them real quickly. Let's start with the first bag. So the first bag, I think I showed you guys this initially. These are 6 eggs, not necessarily golden, but brighter ones, and it's gonna represent the dollar, the money egg, right? So we're not gonna do anything extravagant this year for Easter, Easter egg hunt. The kids told me last minute last week or earlier this week, I think it was on Monday, that they said they don't want the Easter egg hunt. The last time we did it was when it was Tristan's birthday one year that he requested that. We did a whole thing, but this time it will just be just me and the kids and my mommy and Troy. Not sure when we're going to do it yet, maybe next Monday. Yeah. Alright, so we have that. Then we got 3, and obviously it's Dollar Tree, so it's $1.25 for everything. We have 3 of the Sure Fresh Ziploc bags, gallon. See, $1.25. See? You're online now. $1.25. Yep. Okay. And this is 16 packs each. We got 3. Then we got quarts, 12 each. These ones are the handy wrap ones. Got 3 packs of 12 inside of these. Then we we're dipping in the second bag for a minute because this is supposed to be 3 as well. So we got 3 of these are the snap bags. These are from Sure Fresh as well. And these have 50 each, and I have a pack of 3. So it looked like a Ziploc run. Looks like it. That's mainly what I really wanted in there anyways. And then these are the sandwich bags, and these are also from Sure Fresh, 58 in the pack. We got 3 packs. It's given Ziploc bag haul. Anyway, let's jump into the second bag. Second bag, I have some individual packs of tissue, 2-ply tissues. These I normally get, it's been a while since I've gotten them, but I normally get them for the kids to actually drop in their bags, when they're at school and then those running and stuff like that. So that's what I got that for. I got me some lint rollers, 75 sheets, 3 of them. I ran out, so I really needed those. And these, to be honest, I never really had to buy, but it's $1.25 because I just ordered a pack on Amazon, but Amazon was so expensive. So this is like backup. So I got 4 shower curtain liners, the clear one, $1.25. Because I don't keep liners, I throw them away when I take them down. So I want to make sure I have them stack and pile. Understand? And then I needed some pencils. I also wanted a calculator, but I couldn't find any. I may have to get that from Walmart. But got me 12 packs, 24 pencils in the pack. So to be honest, I was a little bit turned off. I don't know why I keep on complaining and then keep on going back to Dollar Tree. But that Dollar Tree is like, no disrespect, but like it's just nasty. It's just like everything is thrown all over the place. Them reorganized the place the other day, so like the lanes and aisles are different, so I can't even find anything anymore. And then it just threw me because Tell me why the associate and the manager in there having arguments in front of the customers. Like what? Damn. Associate talking about, oh, when I'm finished, just letting you know I'm not going to do this, da da da. And the boss is like, well, this is what's going to be done. And they're arguing. Like, at that point, the manager was supposed to be like, okay, let me have a conversation with you afterwards. Done. Let everybody leave, and then we're going to talk, right? You don't have it on the floor where you have a whole line of people. Like, what are you doing? So it's like, it just dim my whole vibes because I just like wanted just to get out. So I could have gotten more stuff, to be honest, but maybe that's a good reason why I did not, because Keneisha, you're supposed to be saving. So yeah, but these are the main things that I really wanted. Apart from, I wanted the you know, the tissue that I normally get for like the car and stuff, the box. I was looking for Scott's own, and they only had the small boxes. I haven't been seeing them on a regular, so I'm also out of that. Make sure if you haven't already liked this video, go ahead and like the video, comment in the comment section, and share, and send up some happy birthday greetings for my baby. To all my new subscribers, thank you for joining the family. So Saturday, we're gonna be celebrating. We're going to the trampoline park. Again, it's not a party, it's not like Tavania's own. You didn't ask for a party. So we're just gonna be together as family, just hang out. So I'm taking off on Saturday. I'll be back on work on Sunday, because you know, for every birthday I will be taking off, because I will be making plans and stuff for my babies, because my babies come what? First. Yep. So anywho, next Tuesday is TJ's birthday, and he's gonna be 21. Listen, when I talk to me nice. Miss Keneisha. Miss Keneisha. Yes, she look young, but she ain't. She ain't young. She ain't that young. But yeah, my baby boy is turning. They're 1 week and, is it 1 week and 9 days apart? So Tristan is 11 today, and TJ is gonna be on the 15th, tax day. I haven't done the tax, go through the tax right now. So TJ will be turning 21 on April 15th. And then my baby girl gonna be turning 7 in October. Okay? So I know no more baby. No more baby around here. We need to get the body snapped and right back. Okay? So guys, this is a short and sweet, get to the point daily vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it, okay? Because I've been consistent. Your girl over here has been consistent, okay? All right, enough of me ranting, enough of me talking, enough of me chatting all kind of foolishness. Again, guys, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, comment on the comment section, and share. Until later, guys. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say.